Hamon sa mga taga-isla ng Tawi-Tawi sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao ang access sa kinakailangan nilang medical services. At batid ito ng Mindanaoan medical doctor na si Ben Ashri Susulan kung kaya't naging misyon ng doktor ang pagbibigay ng libreng medical services tulad ng operasyon sa higit na mga nangangailangang pasyente.
I am also connected with one of the government hospital here. So basically, our surgery there was mainly charity. It was actually a government hospital, and we cater all services from head and neck. So it was totally free, but because it was a government hospital.
Maliban sa libreng operasyon, aktibo rin ang doktor sa pagsagawa ng medical mission sa islang Tawi-Tawi sa Mindanao.
Itong last September, we conducted the 4th mission. It was participated actually by almost 70 to 80 doctors from different specialty. We have pedia, OB, we have surgery, though it was just mainly minor surgery. We also have laboratory. In fact, we have 2 machines, ultrasound machine. We have also psychiatry, rehab. So basically almost all specialty. And around more than 11,000 patients the beneficiary of this mission. It was totally free. So during our residency training, kasi there are a lot of patients in public hospital. I trained actually in a public hospital wherein there are a lot of patients from different walks of life. Sometimes yung patient papasok nakapaalang, walang sleeper. So sometimes kahit pagkain medyo wala. So sometimes hindi mo maiwasan, pati food allowance we have to share with them. Kasi maawa ka eh. So that's a reality actually in public hospitals. There are a lot of super or very indigent patients.
Our first Gawad Makabansa awardee, Dr. Ben Ashri Abdal Susulan.
Bilang pagkilala sa di matatawarang serbisyo ng doktor, isa siya sa 3 Pilipino na ginawaran ng parangal ng tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo. Ang Gawad Makabansa Award ay pagkilala sa mga Pilipinong nagpamalas ng kabayanihan, pagmamahal at malasakit para sa bayan. Bahagi ito ng taonang selebrasyon ng anibersaryo ng tanggapan kada taon.
Childhood dream actually to be a physician someday, and it was a promise to share to community what my specialty and to serve the community.
Ang paggawad ng parangal ay pinangasiwaan mismo ni Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Mula po dito sa Metro Manila, ako po si Brian Latasa, ang lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Valiente News.